grape leaves from the grapevines. I think he's getting upset with it being in his face right now because he doesn't like anything in his face. Hey, Wilbur! 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 Let's go see what Dora's doing, huh? And go see what Dora's doing? Hmm? Dora! Dora! Where's Dora? Dora! 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 Where's Dora? Say hi, Dora. Hi. Say hi. Say hi, Dora. 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 Let's see, Dora. Oh. You about had it with your grapevines, haven't you? Let's see, let's get you some off of here. Hey, Dora. Hey, Dora. Say hi, Dora. Say hi. Wilbur. Wilbur. There's Wilbur again. Wilbur. Wilbur. You don't want these? Dora will then. You ready to lay down, take a nap? Okay. You ready to lay down, take a nap, big buddy? Huh? You already had your breakfast? You ready to take a nap, huh? Yeah. Okay, we'll go give this to Dora then. Dora will like it. Huh, Dora? Dora! 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 Look how long her tail is. It's got a really long tail. You go swimming? Go in the swimming pool. Hey, here's some more grapevines for you. Look. Here, look. Oh boy. Go get them. Go get them. You gonna be lazy and walk around? You got your pool all dirty now. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Look at my dirty face. Look at my dirty face.
She's a good girl. She's good. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yeah, she's good. She's good.
Okay, Dora, I gotta go. Okay? I gotta go now. You're not gonna eat your grapevines? Huh? You don't want these? Look, Dora. Dora, you don't want these? Huh? Say hi, everybody. Goodbye. I gotta go now. Bye. I'm happy. Look at my tail.